Welcome everyone today to our Origami Hearts. I'm going to show you the ancient Japanese form of paper folding. And I don't mind telling you that this is my second try on this video because Mr. Nowski, me, is still learning origami. So let's get started. Okay, so first, the first heart I made is just kind of like on a scrap piece of paper that I had lying around the house. This is my second try. It didn't work out. That's okay. I'm going to try again. So I'm starting with a rectangle piece of paper, but I need it to be square. So here's the trick. And if you already know this, you could just like skip it. But I'm going to take the corner of my paper and really carefully line it up to the other edge of my paper, folding it like a triangle. I'm then going to crease the fold. That means pressing down on the fold. And I'm going to take a writing utensil and just draw a line right where my paper ends. Then if I open this up, you can see that on this side I have a square, and I'm going to cut off this triangle part right here. Be right back. Okay, so now I have mostly a square piece of paper. I tried my best. Then I'm holding it like a diamond, right? So you kind of have the two pointy top parts. So don't hold it like a square, hold it like a diamond. We already folded it in half once, right? And then we creased it, but now we have to do the opposite way. So only one crease is in it now. I'm gonna fold the top corner down to the bottom and crease it that way, meaning pressing on my folds. Okay, all right, so the first step is that you're gonna take your bottom flap and you're just gonna fold it to the middle. There's like kind of, I'm just gonna draw a little dot here so you could see it. That's like where both of my folds intersect. I'm just gonna fold it to my dot, meaning the middle of my paper. You don't have to draw a dot, I just did so you can tell where I'm folding it to. Then I'm going to take my other fold and fold it all the way down to the edge of my paper. Now here is where I made the mistake before. On this one, I was like making it upside down. So I now know that like you need to like flip it. So I'm going to flip it this way so that you can see that this like bottom flap, the big flap, is creased this way. Okay, now I think I got this. So folding it in half once, so you really make sure you have that crease. You're gonna unfold it and then take your side, lining it up to the crease you just made. Ooh, it looks like it's working. Okay, good. Then I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing, lining it up so it's almost touching. Ooh, I think I'm doing a great job. This is the third time that I've tried this. Now, the heart is pretty nice. It's still a little pointy, so I can turn it over if I want, and I can fold the edges just like a teeny bit so it's not a very, very pointy heart. Looks like it has a little bit more curvy edges. And there you go. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. What you can maybe see, what I tried to do the first time is when I was holding it with my triangle, my big triangle going down, I tried to fold it up like that. And it doesn't look much like a heart. So if that happens to you, it's okay because it happened to Miss Ranowski. Once you have your heart all nicely made, you could decorate it and share it with someone in your house. Happy creating.